Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to CINEMIXBIZ, where we supercharge your digital life with the latest tips and tricks. Today, we're diving into 5 killer ways to boost your computer's speed and performance. Whether you're a gamer, a creator, or just tired of your computer lagging behind, stick around because these tips will have your machine running like new. Ready to turbocharge your tech? Let's get started. 1. Upgrade your RAM. Random access memory, RAM, is the temporary storage for your computer's data. The more RAM you have, the more applications you can run simultaneously without a significant decrease in performance. Adding more RAM to your computer is a simple and cost-effective way to boost its speed. To upgrade your RAM, check how much RAM your computer currently has and what type of RAM it uses. Purchase additional RAM that matches the type and speed of your current RAM. Shut down your computer and install the new RAM. 2. Close unnecessary programs. Many programs run in the background and consume system resources without your knowledge. Closing these programs can free up memory and CPU resources, making your computer run faster. To close unnecessary programs, press the Ctrl+Shift+ESC keys to open the Task Manager. Click on the Processes tab to see a list of running programs. Select any programs you don't need and click End Task. 3. Update your operating system. Keeping your operating system (OS) up to date is crucial for improving performance. Updates often include bug fixes, security patches, and performance enhancements. To update your OS, go to your computer's settings or control panel, check for updates and follow the prompts to install them. 4. Use a disk cleanup tool. Over time, your computer accumulates temporary files, system logs, and other data that take up space on your hard drive. Cleaning up your disk can free up space and improve performance. To use a disk cleanup tool, search for Disk Cleanup in your computer's search bar, select the Disk Cleanup tool and follow the prompts to delete unnecessary files. 5. Consider upgrading your hard drive. If your computer uses a traditional hard drive, upgrading to a solid-state drive, SSD, can significantly improve performance. SSDs read and write data much faster than traditional hard drives. To upgrade to an SSD, back up your important files and data, replace your hard drive with an SSD, and reinstall your OS and programs. And there you have it, folks. 5 simple yet powerful ways to make your computer faster and more efficient. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome tech content, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any other tips or questions? Drop them in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, stay tech savvy and keep boosting your performance. Peace out.